party conversation that we're going to have today. So welcome to the Love Room. That is part of my workshop. I just want to give you a quick snippet these couple of days, but I want you to be a part of the Love Doctors Connect and Touch workshop. That's going to be coming monthly, so make sure you go into my link and you'll see where you can join and be a part of the community where you can chat, have conversations, and talk about relationships. But in my Connect and Touch workshop, you're going to get strategies and definitely transformation that's going to help you within your relationship. Okay, so just wanted to give you a little snippet of what we have to offer, and stay apart because a lot is coming for members only. So thank you for being a part. So you're with Love Dr. Pamela Smith. We're on another talk that I'm going to help you understand about having successful love, finding love, and just enhancing the love that you have. This talk is about third party. What happens when you have a third party in a relationship? Okay, let's talk about that real quick. What is a third party? Now, I'm going to give you some things. Remember, guys, I only give you a few. I don't give you everything. I give you a few because I want to come back and revisit this conversation. But this talk is about third party. What are third parties? Third parties is when you have other people involved in your relationship that have something to say or want to comment about the decisions that you make, the person that you love, and the things you decide. And that third party want to try to convince you that what you're doing is not the right way, that what they believe is the right way, or third party could be somebody that you bring into your life when you have a relationship with someone else. Okay? So let's talk about types of third parties. You have your parents, you have your siblings, your friends, your past relationship, your baby mama, your parent, your children, and pretty much anybody that you allow to be a part of the conversations or be a part of the present relationship that you are in. Got it? We understanding that now? Okay. Now, so what happens when a third party is involved? Most of the time, you're allowing it. For sure, you're allowing it. For sure, you're allowing somebody to be or have the opportunity to comment or state a position on how they feel about what you're in. Did we get that? What you're doing, what happened is you're allowing them to have an opinion about the relationship or somebody that you are involved with. Got it? Then you let them see things you don't see. And sometimes they do see things you don't see that a third party could potentially help you on the journey of this relationship that you have entertained. Right? And then sometimes you have a third party involved to give you guidance, meaning I may not understand how to relate to this person. Maybe something is not working that I think should be working with this person. Maybe this person is not giving me what I really should be getting from a relationship. So a lot of times a third party gives you another version of what they believe will make you happy. You understand? But here's the thing about when you listen to a third party. A lot of times when you have conversation with somebody, you're only giving your side. You do understand that? No, you don't. But here's what's happening. You're only giving your side of what you believe is happening. Are you with me? Because a lot of times what we do when we have relationships, we think that we don't know what we have entered into. When technically you know how that person makes you feel, you know if this person is right for you. But sometimes you question the love they have for you. And so you have conversation with someone else about what you think they should think about your relationship. that's a third party that's in your relationship. Got it? So here's the solution to this. When you're in relationships, relationships are just not, they're not perfect. And there are going to be times that things are confusing. And sometimes you have a form of insecurity. And you think that sometimes you need someone else to help you through this journey. And a lot of times what happens is when you allow a third party to enter into the relationships, you're allowing them to tell you the way they think something should go. Are you with me? So you have to be upfront with your friends, with your family, with that third party. You're just asking an opinion, but that doesn't mean you need to intervene. Because there's a difference. It's just an opinion you're asking of them, but you're not asking them to intervene within that relationship, meaning cause problems. So you have to be clear about when you invite a third party into your relationships to get clarity. Are you got me? The other thing, you want to only ask a question when it relates to you. Do you understand? Meaning, if there's something about you that may be an issue, that's the question you're asking, because they don't know the person that you have the relationship with. Only you know. So your question has to be based on what is related to you that you feel may have been a cause. Are you with me? Okay. The other one, don't allow the opinion of that to stop you from continuing in that relationship. Don't allow somebody to make you in a relationship on the basis of what they think, or don't allow that opinion to change anything. The opinion is only to give another point of view. Are you with me? It doesn't mean that is the answer to what you're trying to resolve. Got it? The other thing, you got to learn to recognize what makes you happy. A third party cannot tell you how that person is making you feel, how that person makes you happy, what gives you the overjoyment of being with that person. They can't tell you that. Only you know what makes you happy. So you have to learn how to recognize what makes you happy in the person that you have the relationship with. And once you understand what makes you happy, you'll have greater relationships with your mate. Okay? So I hope the information that I gave you real quick to get you to understand, be mindful of the third party that you bring into your relationships, and you're looking for opinions. Remember, that's all you're looking for. You're not looking for them to intervene and to change what you decided to give somebody a piece of you and a piece of time. Okay? So thank you for your likes and your subscribe. Make sure you continue to hit that notification button. I'll be back because we're going to talk some more about what? Love, love, love.